Good evening, everyone. I welcome all of you to our today's session of Let's Connect. Nine women, nine success stories. I'm Ruby Jaspreet, consul from the Indian Consulate, and I'm very happy I have with me Ms. Vandana Mehrotra. She's the CEO of State Bank of India in Frankfurt. And we are very happy to have you here today, Vandana.
Thank you.
As you know, Vandana, so we are doing this series where we are having a conversation with nine women during these 9 days of what we call the Navratri in India, where Goddess Durga is worshipped across different states of India. So, what we thought as a consulate is that we dedicate a series to women and more particularly to Indian women who are living in Germany. And like different facets of Goddess Durga's her own persona, so we feel that Indian women who are living here, they are also, reflecting. I mean, they show courage in their daily activities. They're building beautiful homes here. They're contributing beautifully to the local society, to their work environment. So we have nine different women for 9 days of the festivities. And today we have you, and you're representing the banking sector. And I think, Vandana, you also represent a lot of Indian women who come here who are working as professionals. So we are very happy to have you here today, Vandana. So can I request
Thank you.
please?
Yeah, thank you, Ruby. I think it's an amazing concept, to be running such a program, and I genuinely feel all of us, all the ladies, are basically embodiments of Shakti. So I have always, believed in that, and also displayed those kind of behavior, so
Absolutely.
that the ladies take that cue from me.
Yes, yes.
Small bit of role modeling.
Yes.
Well, I've been here in Frankfurt for the last 3.5 years. Otherwise, with State Bank of India for about 32 years now, running 33rd year, and 32 beautiful summers, I would say, that the banking has given
Yeah.
me. That those kind of opportunities, Ruby has, I think, it's all gratitude that it has come my way. The kind of opportunities that I've had in a man's field, basically banking, it was, for a very long time considered to be
Yeah.
a man's field. And
Now also to some extent.
especially in Germany, which was very surprising. India has actually gone,
women
yeah, we have
professionals,
actually
yes.
moved far ahead
Yes.
in terms of providing opportunities to women, equal opportunities to women, I'm saying. Nevertheless, it comes with a lot of challenges, I think, and which, again, Lord, it's the goddess, that is with us,
Yes.
in all
Yes.
forms, that we've been able to move through these challenges time and again. So
Yeah.
basically, my background was from the sciences. I wanted to be a scientist, but back those days, I think 86 to 88, there were a lot of not much scope to pursue your
Yeah.
masters in sciences from different universities.
But where did you do your education, Vandana? Where did you grow up?
Yeah. So although we belong to Uttar Pradesh, but my dad was in a place called Neyveli, which is in Tamil Nadu, and I grew up there. I was born, bred, educated, and kind of I have those more South Indian qualities than the North Indian ones. I would always say.
Yeah. Or pan-Indian qualities, we should say.
No, I know the attributes are like that. Pan India is a
Yeah.
good thing, but yeah.
Yeah.
So, and I graduated from a college in Mysore, and then I wanted to pursue my master's in microbiology, but somehow didn't happen, and I
Yeah.
got into banking.
32 years ago.
Yeah, 32 years ago, 1988, December
Okay,
1988,
okay.
and it's been a very nice journey. I have almost seen that, there were times when it was not out of my own accord that I came into wherever I was. It was as if I was being kind of pushed and guided and shown the path that
Yeah.
you got to take this way,
Yeah.
and sometimes it is very miraculous also that it has happened this way. But
Yes.
yes, it's
So
very
you had a
encouraging.
lot of support from your colleagues, Vandana, across different sectors, and also you're saying male colleagues, female colleagues. You found everybody to give you a supportive environment, is it?
No, it was a mixed bag. There were men who suddenly felt, back those, because I joined Lucknow,
Okay.
which was, from the south. When I went to the north, the language was an issue, although English was understood, but English was not really spoken. That was not the
Okay.
spoken language. It was not. It was not even the business language coming from the Kirkshire. So I had problems, and people would think, speaking in English was not a very good thing.
Hmm.
But then I knew that this was an issue. I knew that this was a cultural shift that I had to get adjusted. I took my own time. My diction improved in Hindi, and I speak Hindi now. People don't know that I come from the south.
Yeah.
So yes, you have to groom yourself
Yeah.
again.
Yeah.
If you have to be very
Yeah.
clear about where you want yourself to be and how
Yeah.
you want to be shown,
Yeah.
you need to be you need to impress those people in that manner. So I think it has men and women. Yeah, men, always I always feel, where I found men to be feminists, they've been very encouraging.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Somehow this has always been there. And for the men who were kind of not too very happy with the women folk, getting
Yeah.
getting out
Yeah.
of their homes and working,
Yeah.
it's been a task, but
Yeah.
that is the
I
challenge.
think that's the
That's the
experience
challenge. Yes.
everybody has, because at all points of our careers also we have all kinds of encounters with people who may be more encouraging and some who may get a little bit insecure. But Vandana, coming to you, were saying that there was a cultural shift coming from South India and started working in North India. Did you face that kind of cultural shift when you moved to Germany also? How was the experience in Frankfurt? And did you feel like you were welcome here and you had a good experience here overall?
Again, it was very strangely, I found that not many women had banking operations here. And whenever I had to go to various kinds of meetings, I was asked, how do you think, being, as a lady, you are heading a banking operation and a banking unit, how does it go? Are you finding, like, there was some bit, I used to find it very strange. Why is this question being asked in a Western world? Had it been in India, I would have understood that, okay, there's always some kind of a gender bias. But here, there were questions, which means there are ladies who are facing this kind of a barrier. Yes, I did face some, but I just wanted to leave it aside, kind of, ignored it. It used to come. That was the big elephant in the room, but yes, it did happen. But overall, I think these
Yeah.
challenges one needs to face.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
and Vandana was very happy to know that when we introduce Vandana to somebody, she says, "Don't introduce me as CEO of State
oh
Bank
yes,
of
I'm
India.
kind of.
Call me the banker to every Indian."
That's right.
So I think it's in your blood now that you feel that you owe this responsibility to people in general, which is very nice, Vandana. So could you get that many opportunities in your current role also to be able to serve the Indian community here?
Immensely, immensely. There was anyone, who would see that, okay, you are heading State Bank of India, there would always be questions, especially from the Indian diaspora. And there were also Indian corporates that were coming in here. So, yes, State Bank is a very big name, and then to be identified with that
Yeah.
name, I think, is a
Yeah.
huge thing. It's a huge thing.
Yes, yes, I'm sure.
right.
Vandana, you have two lovely daughters also. Can you also tell us more about your personal family life and living in Germany? How often were you able to go to India? Were you able to stay in regular contact with your family, or were there periods of separation? I think with COVID now, anyways, it would have become more difficult.
Yeah, so actually, Germany was not much different. I've also been in India, facing these transfer issues. My husband would always he was kind of chasing me, and I was running away from him, kind of a thing. So this time also, when he came to Bombay, and he was just there for about 6 months, I got my posting to Frankfurt, and he said, "Again, it was kind of a thing, So I told him we'll meet after retirement. Yes, with children, two daughters, two lovely daughters. They had to face some bit of emotional stress on and off during their adolescence. But I think eventually today, when they're 26 and 27, they are very proud of me the way I made them. The kind of independence that they have is like amazing. And I get to hear this from all their friends' moms also, that it's amazing, because when they were really young, I would say that when they were 4 and 5, I used to give the keys to my elder daughter to open the door herself in India. So that was absolutely, it was frowned upon, and people would warn me, this is not the right thing, what ifs and all that. Again, I go back to, that Shakti that the ladies
Yeah.
have, and
Yeah.
I just believed if this is going to be the way, this is going to be
Yeah.
the way. And
Yeah.
I'm very glad that, they have come out as emotionally very strong women. So
That's
they're on
very
their own. I
important,
keep
yeah.
meeting them. Yeah, they used to
Yeah.
come in. In fact, both my daughters did their masters here, so I'm very glad that this posting gave them that kind of an opportunity to look into the the academics here. Europe has offered them a lot of exposure, and they're very happy about it.
Yes, yes.
So it's basically gratitude all the way, and
Yeah.
I never forget that. It's some unseen power that has guided me and pushed me into where I am. Yeah, I don't fear. That's another thing. I don't, because of. I just
Yeah.
believe that the strength that
Yes.
God has given.
Yes, so
Right,
talking of strength,
yeah.
Vandana, I totally agree. You would know that the 9 days of these celebrations, every day is bringing out a different aspect of Goddess Durga, and every day, in fact, there's a different color associated with every day. So today, the sixth day of our celebrations, courage is the aspect of Goddess Durga that is celebrated today, which is reflected in the color orange. And I think you are a good example of that, and you've instilled that courage in your young girls also. And I'm sure all the girls who worked with you throughout your so many years in service would also have benefited from you similarly and gotten courage by seeing you work so hard. Vandana, is there any advice you'd want to give to young women professionals? Also to Indian girls who come here and who are looking at settle themselves in various fields, not just banking, but in other career choices as well. Do you have any word of advice for them, please?
Yeah, women are really becoming more and more career oriented. My advice to them is, yes, while having your own career, having your own financial independence is a very big thing. It liberates you from many issues. It's very liberating. It's very, you really find freedom. You know what to pursue. All this is very good, but then you shouldn't be neglecting family. The thing that is coming in these days is, marriage is not going to be an issue. They're okay with having partners. So being an Indian, for us, our life is not really complete if we do not have, you know it's okay, to be getting into a marriage and getting into a family, and then so that these things are passed on. You have someone to share your
That's what we thought,
yeah.
Vandana. I mean, our series, while it is women focused, but it is something from which both young boys and girls can take lessons. And I think we forget when we're working so much that we have a personal life also.
Yeah, that's
So
true.
this work-life balance, which both men and women have to bring to the equation when they get married, to also take care of their family life, personal life, and not just focus on
Absolutely
work,
right,
which is
absolutely
something
right.
one learns more, especially in countries like Europe, where work-life balance is really valued. So I think that's a good lesson for both boys and girls
Yeah,
that
that's
they're
true.
given.
That's true.
Yes.
You need to have that aspect also. There is also a personal life, and there is also something called a family.
Yeah.
You need to understand family as family,
Yes,
as
absolutely.
in the conventional way.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
yeah. And in fact, in my career also, I have seen a lot of girls who come up to me and tell me that, it's amazing that you have so much of courage to stand up and talk your, whatever
Yeah.
you stand for.
Yeah.
So I've said that, even if you do that, you will see how well you sleep in the night. It's all about, having a trade-off between, having peace within
Yeah.
yourself or making peace outside.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's the
Yeah.
small
That's what
line that,
women
yeah,
really
but
is.
I think, nothing is impossible. Absolutely
Yes.
nothing is.
Also, tell us about a little bit about State Bank of India. What are the operations of SBI in Germany, and what is your role here in the bank?
Okay. So basically, international banking operations of SBI is only to facilitate the diaspora
Yeah.
that is spread out across all geographies, and also facilitate the foreign currency transactions and loans to the Indian corporates that come here. or maybe there could be exporters, there could be importers to facilitate their trade. So we are based, that is why we are here. So we came in here in 1965 as a representative office,
Okay.
and in 1974 we became a full branch here.
Okay.
And since then we are going strong. Although the banking space is too crowded in Germany, but we have been able to do a lot for our Indian corporates and the few Indian diaspora that is here. So Indian corporates also they avail of these benefits of the external commercial borrowing.
Yeah.
That is the term used
Yeah.
for if they want to invest in Germany or in anywhere in Europe. We normally take care of most of Europe. So we are here for that. We also facilitate a lot of trade transactions for the importers and the exporters. And most of these corporates are our borrowers, and we being by far the largest bank in India. So most of the corporates are covered by us.
Okay.
So that's how we handle the euro transactions. We also do a bit of dollar transactions here for the trade activity, because trade is normally, it's all designated in dollar currency. So this is why we are here. And there has been a small shift in the last 2 years. Earlier, we used to only cater to the Indian corporates. So in the last 2 years, we want ourselves to be known more in the international space as a global bank. So we have started also exploring the local assets.
Okay.
So we have started investing in the local companies also, and I think we are going very well. We have grown to about now 233 offices all over the world. And this is, a combination of branches and a subsidiary model. This is 233 branches in 32 countries is what we
Yeah.
say. We
Yeah.
are spread across, in
Yeah.
all these places.
Yeah.
India is also now becoming a digital model for the rest of the world. We are very way ahead in digital technology, digital financial technology in India. So this is what we want to replicate in other countries, especially in the remittance front. So I think UK is doing very well with our app.
Yeah.
There's an app called You Only Need One.
Yeah.
So that's getting very popular in London, and we are going to be having it in other 10 countries, where we have the diaspora who can utilize the app for the remittance,
Yeah.
transactions.
Yeah.
So that's how we are here, and we are here to stay.
Yeah, no, undoubtedly, State Bank of India is one of the leading banks in the country now, and we see the very nice global reputation that the bank has built for itself.
That's right, yeah.
And in Germany also, we see such a good reputation, and you're located in a prime place in the city center.
That's a beautiful office here. It's a
Yes.
beautiful office here.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes, yes. Yes.
Thank you, Vandana. I mean, we've also known you for so many years now, and we've seen you being very courageous, and we've seen you in primarily what you
Yeah.
said is a male-dominated workspace, but we see young Indian women like you doing so well. So we are very proud of you, Vandana, and thank you for
Gratitude.
joining us today.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Ruby. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.